Hello Gators, welcome back. Today we will understand linear relationships by determining the rate of change from a table, creating an equation, and putting it into a graph. So we're given a story. When I visited New York City, I had to get a cab from the airport. The cab charged a $5 base fee and $2 per mile. How much will I pay to ride across town? Well, when I entered the cab and I paid $5, I only paid that $5 one time. So that's a one-time fee. But the $2 is a multi-time fee because I'm paying it every single time I pass a mile. So Y is going to be the cost of the cab fare. And our X is going to be our number of miles. So the number of miles we said is X. I'm putting X above that. And then the total cab fare is going to be Y. So it's saying if I don't go any number of miles, if I just get into the cab, how much am I going to pay? Well, it's a base fee of $5. So I'm going to pay $5. That's how much my total cab fare would be. If we went 1 mile, I would pay $5 for the base fee. And then it says $2 per mile. Well, I went 1 mile, so I pay $2. So it's 5 plus 2, which is $7 total dollars. Now, again, I'm going to pay a base fee of 5. But this time, we went 2 miles. So for the first mile, it was $2. Plus another mile is $2. So that would give me $4. That's a total of $9. Again, I have a base fee of $5. And then we do $3 or 3 miles per $2. So you can do this like 2 times 3. Same thing with the last one. It could have been 2 times 2 to get the 4. So 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 5, it's going to give me 11 total dollars. And then we have the number of miles is 4. Well, we had a base fee of 5 times $2 per mile, which is 4 miles. 2 times 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 5, you get $13. So looking at this table, I noticed that in the Y, which is my total cab fare, we're going up $2 every time. So that would be our rate of change. Our rate of change is 2. So we can write our equation as 2x, 2 times the x, which is 2 times 2 for this one. We did 2 times 3 for this one, and 2 times 4 for this one, plus the base fee of $5. Now, when you write an equation, you have to have y in it. Remember, y is the total cab fare. Well, we did 2 times the number of miles plus 5 for the base fee equals the total cab fare, which is y. So we put equals y, or you can even put y equals 2x plus 5. So now let's look at our graph. Let's start labeling this. Well, here we say that, Okay, so here we need to label our points. So if our x is 0, our y was 5. Looking here, our x was 1, our y was 7. The third one, our x is 2, and our y was 9. For 3, our x was 3, and our y was 11. And lastly, our x was 4, and our y was 13. So these are our coordinate points that we need to plot. We know that we go on x first. So the x-axis is here on the bottom, and the y-axis is the one that goes up and down. So let's look at we have to first go to 0, so we're at 0. Then our y is 5, so we go up to 5. So I put a dot there. Then we have our next point, which is 1 for x. So I go to 1 on the x-axis, which is here. And then I go up to 7 on the y. So I put a point there. My third point is 2, 9. My fourth point is 3, 11. And my fifth point is 4 and 13. Now, can I go part of a mile? Well, yeah, I can. So these dots can be connected. Why? Because you can have part of a mile. If we were talking about people, we would not connect the lines. Why? Because you can't have part of a person. Now, our last question here is, if I need to go 1.8 miles across town in a cab, what will it cost me? Well, it says to use our equation. We know our equation is y equals 2 times the x, which is our number of miles, plus 5 for the base fee. So we would do 2 times the number of miles, which it says 1.8, plus $5. So first, we do order of operations, which is parentheses first. So we would do 2 times 1.8. 2 times 8 is 16, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Move my decimal one place, you get 3.6. Then we have to add 5. Remember, 5 is a whole number, so it's written as 5.0. 6 plus 0 is 6, bring my decimal down. 5 plus 3 is 8, so you get 8.6. So y would be 8.6. So what will it cost me? It would cost you $8.60 to go 1.8 miles. All right, Gators. Remember, if you wanted to look up, what is this called? It's called slope-intercept form, and it's going to be on your 7th grade math reference sheet. We use this as y equals mx plus b. So our m in this case was our $2. Remember, we did $2 per mile. The x was miles, and then we added the fare, which was $5. This was the base fee. And what did we get for y? That was our total amount we paid. Total cost, or the cab fare. All right, that is all for today. I will see you in the next video. If you need any help, reach out to your teacher. If not,